Good morning students. Today we are taking here basic concepts of geometry lesson. In that lesson at last time we seen different type of definitions. Today we want to see here. See now what is our first sum? First sum is decide whether the pair of segments congruent or not by using given coordinates. Means for this they given some of the coordinate here. Point A coordinate is -3, B is 5, C is 2, D is 7 and E is 9. Then now here D is -7. When you are getting this one, what you will understand from that? Here they are asking to us the coordinates of point D and E are -7 and -9 respectively. We want to find here length of segment DE. Then here in 9 and 7 who is greater? 9 is greater than -7. Then length DE equal to 9 minus of -7. 9 plus 7 equal to 16. Always remember bigger coordinate minus smaller coordinate we want to take for getting the length of the segment. The coordinate of point AB means point A and point B because we want to find now the second one is length AB. Then A coordinate is -3, B coordinate is 5. Here again 5 is greater than -3. Therefore length AB is equal to 5 minus of -3 minus of minus plus means 5 plus 3 is 8. Now length DE is 16, length AB is 8, 16 and 8 not equal, therefore length DE not equal to length AB means DE is not congruent to sec AB. Are you understanding? Now one more sum I am showing here. In that case we want to find length BE and length AD. Again length BE. The coordinate of point B and E. B coordinate is 5, E coordinate is 9. Here 9 is greater than 5. Then length BE equal to 9 minus 5, 4. The coordinate of point A and D are. A coordinate is -3, D coordinate is -7. Here -3 is greater than -7. Therefore length AD equal to -3 minus of -7 -3 plus 7 because minus of minus is plus. Now here 1 minus 1 plus 7 minus 3 you will get 4. Now see here length BE also 4, length AD also 4, both lengths same, length BE equal to length AD. Therefore segment BE is congruent to segment AD. Now here second sum. What they given here, see, point M is the midpoint of segment AB. If AB is equal to 8, then find the length of AM. M is the midpoint of AB. In last lecture we seen what is the meaning of midpoint. Midpoint means the point which divided the segment in two equal parts. I drawn the diagram here, segment AB, M is midpoint. These 2 points are congruent. Now we have length AB equal to 8. Since M is the midpoint of segment AB, then length AM is equal to half of length AB. Half means divide by 2. That is length AM is equal to half multiplied by 8 means 4. Therefore, length of AM is 4. Now, third sum they given here. Point P is the midpoint of segment CD. If CP is equal to 2.5, find length CD. Now see here total segment length given and we calculated the half part. Here they given the opposite way. They given CP means opposite here half part they given and we want to find here the full part there. Then we have length CP is equal to 2.5. Since P is the midpoint of segment CD, then length CP is equal to half of length CD. You consider here half. Length CD is equal to half into 2 into length CP, that is 2 into 2.5 means 5. So length of CD is equal to 5. Here which is the half, 1 upon 2, it is divided to come here and multiply. Therefore length CD is equal to 2 into CP. Now here the sum number 4. If AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BP is equal to 2 centimeter and AP is equal to 3.4 centimeter. Compare the segments. What is the meaning of comparison? Comparison means greater, smaller, like that. Then first we written here all three segments length. AB is equal to 5 centimeter, length BP is 2 centimeter and length AP is 3.4 centimeter. Now you may write the numbers in ascending order or descending order. I written in descending order. First the highest length means 5, then 3.4 and then 2. 5 is greater than 3.4 is greater than 2. Now 5 is whose length? AB. Therefore length AB is greater than 3.4 is the length of AP is greater than length BP. If lengths are greater means those segments also greater. Therefore segment AB is greater than segment AP is greater than segment BP. Means when we are considering here, you may take here the different type of numbers and according to that greater to smaller or smaller to greater you may arrange and compare the given segment. Now here one of the diagram they given. Give answers of questions with reference to given figure. Now here one of the figure given. This is one line and on this line this some point P, Q, R, S and T. Now they are asking questions. Those questions are given in your textbook. I didn't taken it here. I taken only the answer. First they are asking what is the opposite ray of RP. RP, ray means origin is R and it is going in the direction P, that is ray RP. When we are saying here the opposite ray, definition of opposite ray you know, the rays whose origin is same but goes in opposite direction. Then here ray RP is going in right side direction, then from R which is going to left side, that is RS or RT. Therefore answer is here ray RS or ray RT. Now second, the intersection set of ray PQ and ray RP. Ray PQ starting from P and goes to Q direction. Ray RQ, here RP means starting from R and goes in P direction. You know that in algebra we seen that there intersection means common. Ray PQ means this part and ray RP means this part. Then what is common part there? Only ray PQ and therefore its answer is ray PQ. Third question they ask the union set of ray PQ and ray QR. Ray PQ again goes to right direction. Ray QR goes to left direction. When you are considering then this QR is line is formed and therefore may you give the name line PQ or may you give the line QR is the answer of that. Seg QR is subset of. Subset means part of. Then QR, segment QR is part of whom that we want to say. It is maybe part of seg QR. It is maybe part of seg QP. Sorry, ray QR or ray QP. Otherwise you may take ray QS or ray QT. Means these are the part of that. Their answer is ray QR, ray QS, ray QT. Now opposite rays with common endpoint R. From R, which are the opposite rays? Those pairs you want to say. You may say here ray RP, ray RS. You may say ray RQ, ray RT. Any one pair you write here. I written ray RS and ray RP. If you want, you may write here ray RQ and ray RT also. Now two rays with common endpoints S. Starting from point S, which are the two rays? Ray SR, ray SP, ray ST, like that. That means common endpoint. Here they didn't ask only the opposite ray. Therefore you may take ray SR, ray SP, ray SQ or ray ST. Only remember its starting point origin is S there. Seventh question they are asking here, the intersection set of ray SP and ray ST. Ray SP going in right side direction. Ray ST going in left side direction. Then when you want the intersection means common. SP, here starting point S and going in right side direction. ST, common point S and going in left side. Then only point S is common in both the parts. Therefore, its answer is getting to us point S. Then like that you remember when you are observing the diagrams, by observing diagram we can write its answer, and you must remember here algebra and geometry are here combines here subjects, and therefore maybe knowledge of algebra we are using in geometry or geometry's knowledge in algebra.